Yesterday, the governor filed a challenge to a district court that blocked the 2018 fetal heartbeat bill from becoming law.
And the governor plans on fighting the injunction in the courts, and today lawmakers and anti-abortion groups are responding. WHO 13's Zach Fisher reports.
On Thursday, Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds filed a challenge against a district court to remove the injunction on a 2018 fetal heartbeat bill that had already passed legislation. State Democrats say that this is the reason why the midterm elections are so important to protect women's reproductive rights in the state. Meanwhile, anti-abortion and advocacy groups are saying this bill should already be law.
We're ready yesterday to have this bill move forward.
Maggie DeWitt is the executive director of Pulse Life Advocates, and that group was part of the push for the fetal heartbeat bill back in 2018. To the group, this is just the start of abortion restrictions in the state.
It's an incremental change. We support it. We want to move forward with it. But ultimately, our goal is to end abortion. Abortion is not needed. It's not necessary, it's not health care, and it hurts women.
State Democrats are sounding the alarms again about the governor's persistence to implement this law.
Let's not forget that a 6-week abortion ban means that a woman is unlikely to know she's pregnant before she's allowed to make the decision she has every right to make.
That is why the party is focused on making abortion rights the main driver of voters in November.
Majority of Iowans agree with us on this issue, because the Des Moines Register released last month that showed that 60% of Iowans think abortion should be legal.
Now, the governor's challenge to the fetal heartbeat bill yesterday doesn't mean that the district court has to remove the injunction or not, but Governor Reynolds' legal team is going to stay on this issue, and you could see the fetal heartbeat bill being brought to the state Supreme Court. At the State House, Zach Fisher, WHO 13 News.